December breeze cuts through the street, cold mornings tapping tired feet. The daylight fades, it doesn't stay. Short little hours to start the day. Scarves pulled tight, the sky's still gray. Kids lace shoes, they're on their way. Apple waits, tail swaying free. Morning calls for the family. Apple the dog, running so fast. Paws on the road, breathing the past. Kids walking Apple, side by side. Coldness stings, but hearts are wide. Winter is sharp, but spirits run. Short days fade till the night is done. Frost on the grass, breath in the air. Hands in pockets, no one cares. Apple pulls forward, nose to ground. Every little cent is found. Then Bobby laughs and calls his name. Takes off running, starts the game. Apple flies like he's made of light. Cold can't slow that joyful fight. Apple the dog, running so fast. Kids laughing loud as moments pass. Bobby makes Apple race the wind. Morning cold but warm within. December bites, the sun stays low, but love keeps moving. Step by slow step we go. Shorter days and longer nights, breath like smoke in fading light. Cold may rule the morning scene, but joy runs free in between. Apple the dog, strong and true. Kids and laughter pulling through. Cold breeze sings its winter song, but these small walks still feel long. Long with love, long with cheer. Apple runs and winter's here. Same small moments, warm within.